That sounds cool right
The
there.
chorus was gonna be like open. Something like I don't want it. I don't want you to see me in this pain or in this state. Something like this demon has twisted my mind. It's making me go insane. Please release me from this phantom pain.
Oh
They
yeah.
go, so it's like that, like something like that will be the chorus, and then just tell the story of like maybe how
There was something.
maybe your sense in the story of how like you be like your begin kind of like I don't know, like maybe it being like on a good path, then just metaphorically something takes a piece of you that's around that phantom pain I guess state of mind.
There's
So it's referring to you losing your leg, but if somebody else might have lost something else, it's referring to all of that
yeah,
too.
the
Yeah.
loss of other
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
parts of life.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. That it's like it's like I don't want people to see me like in this state. Um, like this, like something has taken, my I don't know happiness or um, like maybe something you held dear, I guess.
Yeah.
And then they'll would say like it's making me go because I'm trying to rhyme insane with phantom pain.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's
There's
yeah.
something.
So it's making me go insane and
Maybe
please
could,
release me from this phantom pain.
I never really told anyone about what they did. I asked them before I got released from that hospital what they did with my leg, and they said they burned it.
Oh.
They didn't even like
ask you or anything like that.
Yeah, like if I wanted anything done with it, I just asked that. I don't know if it was a doctor or who, but they had their own incinerator right there at that hospital, and they said they just burned it without even asking me what to do with it.
Yeah.
So, yeah, a part of me did like was just thrown away, burned. Where I guess probably when after I sobered up, I started to think about it, and that part really hurt knowing that they did that shit. It never really dawned on me all these years until I sobered up. And it finally hit me. So it was something that I had to process, another issue that was hidden inside of me. So yeah, that part was real hard to, I guess, accept. Because if you can't accept these things, you just go crazy. If you can't understand where all this pain is coming from, it just drives you wild, and like you can't control your emotions because you don't know why you're feeling that way, why your behavior is the way it is, because no one really seems to understand what we all, different things that we all go through, because it don't happen to them, and they don't know what to say. Like these counselors, they don't even know what to say to us. It's like all they're there for is just so you can talk and let they think that it's just by talking about it, it's gonna help. But I know there's a lot of other steps that you need to take in order to get over these things, like losing someone, like a husband or a wife, your parents dying and things like that. I noticed that on Facebook, on how these people keep posting sad things.
Yeah.
And it's, everybody's sick in their own way, in their own mind, their own thoughts and whatnot. And it's like they're so used to being in that part of sadness that it seems normal to stay that way. So like I realize now that all these years I've been sick from all this dark shit that I've been in. This new feeling of happiness, and I'm not used to it. I'm not used to being like peaceful. It's like my body and my brain is still adjusting to this new feeling, and it's not normal for me because I'm more used to all this fucking drama and shit.
Yeah.
And I think that's why a lot of these people, they don't want to sober up.
Yeah.
Because they're so used to that feeling.
Plus, it's like that's their go-to for a runaway to.
Yeah.
Try to forget it, but it just creates more shit when you're
Yeah.
drunk and you cause more drama, or you're on drug, cause more drama, not only mentally but physically, because it does mess with your brain, but then it takes a toll on your body too.
Yeah,
it wakes you up that your body won't heal or can't accept something. Yeah.
Yesterday I ran into one of the people who just came home from rehab, was all sick, hungover real bad. You could just tell, and she's trying to sell me her food stamps so she could buy a bottle, $40 worth of food stamps for $20. But shit, I almost gave in too, because I felt bad for her. And I was like, God damn, good thing I didn't though. Otherwise, I wouldn't have that duct tape that I needed, because that fucker was like $17, 18. It was $20 because it was marked at $17.99. I'm not sure what the tax was, but the bus was $1 one way and another $1 coming back, so it was all $20 altogether. Just for that. It was a big roll though. There's a big roll of that Gorilla tape that I bought. That's the best kind to seal up my little hut in there.
I went to the landfill today. I was gonna bring home that piece of almost like an inch and a half thick of that foam insulation.
Yeah.
And I
Oh.
was like, what if he could use this for something? But it was only like that wide. And I was like, I don't know if it would
Just
be able
small.
to. Yeah.
Yeah.
But it was like from the speaker to the top speaker, it was that big of a piece.
Wow.
So I wasn't sure if you might have needed it. I was like,
I would just
probably.
I was more needing those panelings, like this,
Oh, okay.
like this, exactly like this, so I could, like 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. That's all I need to put around that thing, and probably just 3, because the other area I use like a doorway
Oh.
to go in and out. But it's warming up in there. I just covered it all up with those army blankets that they gave me at the clinic.
Cool, yeah.
But I'm still gonna look into those other
Moving blankets.
yeah
Those, yeah. Those
at
probably
Harbor
bought that
Freight.
stuff.
So
Yeah. I was trying to make it sound like corn,
yeah.
that's how I was doing that weird.
That sounds cool though.
Yeah. During that clean part.
Oh, okay.
like repeat the chorus twice at the end. I just need verse 1 and 2. So during that clean part, I need to find words.
You could probably like text me what you have so far, and then we'll.
I just have the chorus.
throw whatever in there during that part.
Yeah, I just have the chorus part.
And then that way you can.
Don't want you to see me in this state. A demon has taken a piece of me. It's making me feel and go insane. Please release me from this phantom pain. Something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's the chorus that I have. So I need something to sing during that. Yeah, maybe I can go after it. It'll go like three, and then end with. I like that chorus part. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Just have to find out how to get back into that clean part. Just let it ring out. And just get into that. Then I can just get into the clean. Yeah, 3 open.
Do that again. That. What? Okay.
And that'll come after the chorus.
Yeah, towards the end.
After every chorus.
Yeah. Okay.
But at the end, I'll just repeat the chorus twice to end the song.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be a short, not a long song, but yeah, kind of just the gist of it.
Yeah. Okay. Sounds cool, man. I like that. Sounds way different from Descendant.
Yeah, that's the idea.
I noticed how Pantera did that with
Going from glam to
from that Pantera to
Cowboys from Hell.
yeah. Well, what's that one called? Damage Plan.
Yeah.
The difference is you can tell how they changed.
Yeah.
The sound in that.
Still had his signature style of playing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the color was different. They had a different singer too, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Not Anselmo.
Pat somebody.
Pat Lamama.
Let's see.